Wolves were at home to 3rd Division Darlington in a match that went the way you'd expect. Darlington in white shirts. Half an hour of snapping and snarling, then Murray puts Wolves 1 up. In hardly any time at all, Wolves were 2 up when Murray did it again. Another through Broadbent had given Wolves a 3-0 lead into the second half, and now a header by Murray made it 4-0. Don't panic, you two, it's not over yet. By now it was like shooting practice, and the 5th goal came from Mason. Bell got 1 for Darlington, but it was all over bar the shouting, and Broadbent's header, making it 6-1 for Wolves.